So, my friend Brooklyn really wants me to do a video about me trying not to sneeze. I should warn you, this is going to be pretty embarrassing for me. You could say this is kind of a sequel to the videos where I make myself sneeze on purpose without holding it back. I'd say it was a little easier to do those videos than it's going to be to do this one. It's going to be tough for me to try and film this, I'm sorry. Oh god, I think that might be it. Wait. Wait. Okay, that's one part. I'm gonna try to get another one. I might have actually filmed a couple of not so successful attempts at this. Oh! Well, it was worth a shot. Bless me. That actually made my nose kinda runny. But I'm okay. I'm good. This is probably gonna be a bad idea, but I'm gonna try this again just for the heck of it. Nope. Guess that's not it. I swear, I'm fine. Sometimes it's a little harder after the first couple of tries. After the first couple successful sneezes. Okay, one more try. Oh my god! Jeez. That was a big one. Guess the finger on your nose trick doesn't always work, huh? I'm good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't worry about me. I'm fine.